The song we're going to do today is a song called Fool in the Rain by Led Zeppelin, which features John Bonham, the legendary John Bonham, on drum kit. Let's look at how the structure of this play-along backing track is going to work. So you're going to have an intro, which is where everyone will be playing, but the vocals won't be in. Vocals in this case will be a guitar anyway, but which is 8 bars. So that's just the basic groove. In the 8th bar, I would do the fill, because that's actually what John Bonham does in the studio recording. Then you'll have a 16-bar verse. Okay, so quite a long verse. Then you'll have an 8-bar interlude, which is basically the same as the intro, okay, the same riff. Then you have the second verse, which is half the length, just 8 bars, okay. Again, I would do a fill in the 8th bar, which leads you into the chorus. The chorus is basically the same. The rest of the music isn't going to change very much, but you're going to play you're going to play the same groove, but you're going to move to the ride cymbal, adding your left foot, doing those dotted quarter notes on the hi-hats. Then after 8 bars of chorus, you'll go back to the hi-hats for the final section, the coda, which again is 8 bars, fill in the 8th bar, crash to finish the song, okay? Follow the notation on screen and you'll have no worries.